just come back from Northern Ireland, stayed at Bushmills on the Causeway coast. And of course, I've got the importance here, essential map to guide me around the area. But you are probably more interested to know what sort of camera I used. Well, for the whole trip of 8 days, this is the only camera I use. I think it is fantastic. It's a lightweight camera, particularly suitable for travelling and maybe for elderly people as well. It has a 12-45 Pro lens, f4 constant aperture. I took something like 540 photographs with this camera, most of the time on program only. Now this is just a 3-minute trailer, no more than that, but I hope to publish the full program in due course, perhaps around September, for both members, they will get a preview, and of course for subscribers. For now, here just a few images to whet, I hope, to whet your appetite. Have a good look, see what you think.